Dear students, today we will discuss digestive system of man. Digestive system of man, particularly the topic for NEET students for competitive exams. This digestive system of man is divided into two parts: alimentary canal and digestive glands. This alimentary canal of human digestive system, it is complete as it has both openings, mouth and anus. And this alimentary canal having following parts. प्यारे बच्चों, डायग्राम से देख रहे हैं हम एक एक पार्ट को डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. सबसे पहले देख रहे हैं बच्चों माउथ, एंड इट लीड्स इनटू द बक्कल कैविटी, oral cavity, mouth cavity. In this buccal cavity, three pairs of salivary glands are present. In upper region, a pair of parotid glands. These are the largest salivary glands which lie in front and below the ear. And just below the tongue, a pair of sublingual glands are there. And in lower maxilla, in this mandibular region, a pair of submandibular or submaxillary glands are present. It means in buccal cavity, three pairs of salivary glands which produce saliva, and that contains salivary amylase, which is responsible for the digestion of starch. This buccal cavity leads, in this part it is pharynx. In this pharyngeal region, देख रहे हैं हम बच्चों, a chiasma is there, crossing of food and gases. It means in pharyngeal region there is a respiratory chiasma, exchange of gases and exchange of food takes place. Then the food pipe, it is esophagus, and this food pipe is divided into three parts. Its upper part that lies in neck region, it is cervical part. The esophageal part which lies in thoracic region, it is thoracic part. And then this esophagus enters in abdominal cavity through this diaphragm. Then it is named abdominal part. It means the food pipe esophagus having three parts. This one is cervical part. In thoracic region, it is thoracic part of esophagus, and in abdominal region, it is abdominal part of esophagus. Then the next part of alimentary canal, ये देख रहे हैं बच्चों, it is widest part of alimentary canal, that is stomach, which is almost curved, which is C-shaped, which is J-shaped. And this stomach, its upper part is, that is cardiac stomach, as it lies near heart, and its lower part, this posterior part is, it is pyloric stomach. ये देख रहे हैं बच्चों, stomach के in upper region spleen is present. Spleen, it is blood bank of, NEET students note करें बच्चों, this spleen upper region में देख रहे हैं बच्चों, that is blood bank of body. It acts as a graveyard in which RBC storage as well as destruction of RBC take place. In this region, that's why this spleen is graveyard, or it is blood bank of body. Then this stomach leads another part of alimentary canal, that is small intestine. And this small intestine, it is the longest part of alimentary canal. हमने कहा बच्चों, this stomach, it is widest part of alimentary canal, and this small intestine, that is longest part of alimentary canal. It has three parts. कौन कौन से देख रहे बच्चों? Just below this stomach, almost U-shaped, and this part is, it is duodenum. Then the middle part of this small intestine, it is jejunum, and this last part of small intestine, this one is ileum, and it opens in this large intestine. This large intestine, it is further divided into three parts. This very small part is, this one is cecum, and this maximum part of large intestine, it is colon, and this colon is further divided into, बच्चों देखिए, this one is ascending part of colon, This one is transverse part of colon. This is descending part of colon, and its fourth part almost S or sigmoid shape. So it is sigmoid colon. It means the colon of large intestine having four parts: ascending part, transverse, descending, sigmoid colon. Very important point, need students. ये देख रहे बच्चों, in this colon 1, 2, 3 बच्चों longitudinal muscular bands are there like tapeworm. These are named, competition students, these are named Taenia coli. हमने कहा बच्चों Taenia coli, इसका मतलब Taenia, tapeworm of colon. These are not tapeworm, these are muscle bands. कितने बच्चों? 1, 2, 3. ये देख रहे बच्चों 3 Taenia coli, muscular bands in this colon region, as well as in this colon region. ये देख रहे बच्चों pouches are there. ये देख रहे बच्चों pouches, and these pouches are named Hostra, Hostrum, and this process is named hostration. And the last part of this large intestine, that is rectum, and it opens by anus. ये देख रहे बच्चों यहाँ stomach के साथ between this thoracic cavity and abdominal cavity a partition is there, and that partition is diaphragm. Just below the diaphragm, this one two-lobed, a large sized digestive gland, it is liver. And this liver, the largest part of this liver, it is right liver lobe. This one is left liver lobe. In right liver lobe, uske just below, in this region, this structure, this pouch in which liver juice, bile juice gets stored. Very important, need students. And this pouch in which bile juice gets stored, it is gallbladder. Another very important point for need students, the duct through which bile juice is carried, this one is cystic duct. क्या काम है बच्चों? The liver, its bile juice gets stored in gallbladder, and its duct which carries the bile juice, that is cystic duct. From the liver, the ducts which collect bile juice, these are hepatic ducts, and these hepatic ducts and cystic duct collectively constitute a common bile duct. And this common bile duct, ये देख रहे बच्चों stomach के नीचे in this U-shaped cavity, in this duodenum region, this leaf-like structure, it is another digestive gland, it is pancreas. और ये देख रहे बच्चों bile duct and pancreatic duct दोनों का swollen part which opens in this duodenum. This swollen part is ampulla. It is hepatopancreatic ampulla, or it is ampulla of Vater. Need students note करें कि point बच्चों, this one is ampulla of Vater. कि प्यारे बच्चों ये सारा डायग्राम एलिमेंट्री कैनाल का है. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अब एक एक पार्ट बच्चों डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम का एक एक पार्ट को डिटेल से स्टडी करेंगे. प्यारे बच्चों हमने क्या कहा, ये सारा जितना भी हम डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम एलिमेंट्री कैनाल के पार्ट्स देख रहे हो उनको डिटेल से स्टडी करेंगे. सबसे पहले ले रहे बच्चों हम माउथ से स्टार्ट करते हैं. ठीक है, ये बेसिक बच्चों हमारा जनरल डायग्राम हो गया. Mouth, buccal cavity, pharynx, food pipe, esophagus, this one is stomach, small intestine, 3 parts. कौन कौन से बच्चों उसका duodenum, jejunum, ileum. And this one is large intestine के फिर 3 parts, cecum, colon, rectum and opens by anus. जो glands दिखाई दे रही है बच्चों साफ साफ हमें, these are salivary glands. This one is liver, and ये देख रहे बच्चों pancreas, और stomach wall के अंदर बच्चों gastric glands, and in this small intestine wall are intestinal glands. मैं एक एक को बच्चों अब डिटेल से स्टडी करेंगे. नीट स्टूडेंट्स, सिविल सर्विसेज वाले बच्चे जो IAS की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, बहुत कुछ बच्चों. हम टॉपिक शुरू कर रहे हैं बच्चों अब डिटेल से. सबसे पहले ले रहे हैं बच्चों हम माउथ। द माउथ हैविंग टू पार्ट्स। फर्स्ट पार्ट इज वेस्टिब्यूल। कंपटीशन बच्चों, क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट्स। हमने कहा वेस्टिब्यूल, दैट इज ए नैरो स्लिट लाइक द स्पेस which is bounded by lips and cheeks externally, and internally this vestibule is surrounded by gums and teeth. इसका मतलब बच्चों जहां हम टूथ ब्रश यूज कर रहे हैं, that narrow spaces, that is vestibule. Need students, the vestibule, that narrow slit like aperture space that is bounded externally by lips and cheeks and internally by gums and teeth. Just behind the teeth, our ora cavity, mouth cavity, buccal cavity starts. It means the second part of mouth, that is oral cavity, buccal cavity. ये बच्चों डायग्राम से देख रहे हैं हम, the structure of oral cavity, the buccal cavity, उसका upper part, lower part. In this upper part क्या देख रहे हैं बच्चों? The roof is that surrounds it, that covers it. It is palate. Very important. Note करें बच्चों, need students. This ora cavity, its roof, its upper part, that is lined by palate. This one is the palate having two parts. Question बच्चों, next question. The palate, उसके two parts, anterior part, and this anterior part of palate having transverse foldings are there, ridges are there, and these transverse linings are named palatine ruggy. बच्चों नोट करें बच्चों, and this part is hard palate. The palate having two parts, anterior, that is hard palate. It is bony structure and it consists of transverse linings. Ridges are there. Obstacle, फूड पार्टिकल को स्लिप नहीं होने देना, एंड दीज एंटीरियर ट्रांसवर्स रखी. स्पेलिंग नोट करें बच्चे, RUGAE, ट्रांसवर्स रखी. एंड द पोस्टीरियर पार्ट ऑफ पैलेट का बच्चों पोस्टीरियर पार्ट विदाउट एनी ट्रांसवर्स रखी, दैट बिकम्स सॉफ्ट एंड डोम शेप्ड. फूड को इजीली स्वालो करना है, फॉर दैट पर्पज इट इज विदाउट एनी transverse linings, without any obstacles. It means this one is smooth and curved part. This is soft palate. And soft palate का बिल्कुल last part, terminal part. And this ये देख रहे हैं बच्चों, terminal part. Another important question for NEET students. क्या डिस्कस कर रहे हैं बच्चों हम? Buccal cavity. Its roof is palate having two parts. Anterior part in which transverse ruggi are there. This one is hard palate, and its posterior region without any transverse ridges, that is soft palate, and its last terminal part that becomes a membranous flap, and this flap cover is very important, it is uvula. That is a partition between this oral part of this buccal cavity and nasal part. ये देख रहे हैं बच्चों, इन दिस फ्लोर की बात करें तो बक्कल कैविटी के लोअर पार्ट, ए मस्कुलर टंग इज देयर, एंड दिस मस्कुलर टंग इन द बक्कल कैविटी इन लोअर रीजन, इट गेट्स अटैच्ड बाय मेम्ब्रेनस फोल्ड. टंग उसको नीचे से देखे बच्चों, फ्लोर से बक्कल कैविटी के, इट गेट्स अटैच्ड by a membranous fold, and that fold is, फिर NEET students, it is lingual frenulum. and बच्चों उसके देख रहे हैं टंग के बिल्कुल लोअर पार्ट पे, ये देख रहे हैं 1, 2 openings are there. These are the openings of submandibular gland. बच्चों कंफ्यूज ना करें, these are not openings of sublingual glands. These are the openings of, ये देख रहे हैं बच्चों, submandibular glands which open, कहाँ खुलेंगे बच्चों? यहाँ in this lower part of this tongue. In both jaws, teeth are present. In anterior region, ये देख रहे हैं बच्चों, 4 incisors are there in lateral position, canines and then premolars and molars. मैं डिटेल से बच्चों सारा सब कुछ स्टडी करेंगे। टंग को, टीथ को, उनके सारे स्ट्रक्चर्स बच्चों। तो आज डायग्राम पे बच्चों यहाँ इसको टॉपिक को कवर कर रहे हैं। नेक्स्ट इसके बच्चों टंग, इसके टीथ, वो सारा सब कुछ डिटेल से स्टडी करेंगे नीट वाले स्टूडेंट्स के लिए। थैंक यू।